Crating dogs has become a common practice among dog owners, particularly to ensure their safety and proper training. However, many dog lovers who own Akitas wonder how these independent and strong-willed dogs react to being crated. In this article, we will explore the behaviors and reactions of Akitas when crated and discuss whether this practice is suitable for this specific breed. Understanding the Akita breed. Before diving into the topic, it's essential to understand the characteristics and temperament of the Akita breed. Akitas are known for their loyalty, alertness, and strong protective instincts. Originally bred in Japan for hunting and guarding, Akitas have an inherent sense of independence and can be quite territorial. Due to their unique personality traits, it is important to tailor training methods and living arrangements to suit their individual needs. The purpose of crate training. Crate training is often recommended for dogs as it provides them with a safe and secure place where they can rest and retreat when needed. It can also be an effective tool for housebreaking and preventing destructive behavior. However, it is crucial to remember that each dog is unique and their reaction to crate training may vary depending on their temperament and past experiences. Akita's response to crating. When introducing an Akita to a crate, there are several typical responses you may observe. Firstly, it is not uncommon for Akitas to resist entering the crate initially. Their independent nature and need for personal space may cause them to view the crate as a confinement rather than a safe haven. Consequently, it is crucial to make the crate a positive and comfortable space for your Akita by providing treats, toys, and soft bedding. Some Akitas may also display anxiety or restlessness when crated, particularly during the first few attempts. This can be attributed to their high levels of energy and need for regular exercise. Ensuring your Akita gets enough physical activity and mental stimulation before crating can help alleviate these reactions. Tips for successful crate training. To ensure a more positive response from your Akita during crate training, consider the following tips. 1. Gradual introduce the crate slowly, allowing your Akita to explore and familiarize themselves with it at their own pace. Start by leaving the crate door open and placing treats or toys inside to encourage initial interest. 2. Positive reinforcement. Reward your Akita with treats and praise when they enter the crate voluntarily. This creates a positive association with the crate and encourages them to view it as a desirable place. 3. Short crating periods. Begin with short periods of crating and gradually increase the duration over time. This prevents your Akita from feeling overwhelmed or trapped, allowing them to develop a positive mindset towards crate time. For background noise, playing soothing music or leaving a radio on in the background can help mask external noises and create a calming environment for your Akita. 5. Avoid crating as punishment. Never use the crate as a form of punishment. Doing so may create negative associations with the crate and hinder the training process. Evaluation of crate training for Akitas. Crate training can be a useful tool for Akitas if implemented correctly and sensitively. However, it's important to note that some Akitas may never fully take to being crated, and forcing them into it may lead to further resistance and anxiety. Ultimately, it is crucial to gauge your Akita's individual responses and adjust your training techniques accordingly. Providing alternate safe spaces such as a designated room or gated area may be more suitable for Akitas who struggle with being crated. In summary, Akitas may initially resist crate training due to their independent nature and territorial instincts. However, with patience, positive reinforcement, and gradual introduction, many Akitas can develop a positive association with their crates. It is essential to prioritize the well-being and comfort of Akitas while crate training and consider alternative options if the practice proves unsuitable.